Guys, I discovered something. Do you know that you don't need to sound cheap for you to sell more? Like, you don't need to sell your product at a cheaper price than your competitors for you to sell out more. In fact, let me put it in this context. You don't need to present a quotation with lower prices when compared to your competitors for you to win a contract. I'll tell you this story. So this is January 2nd, right? But last month, December 2025, there was a contract I won, right? So I want to share with you how I was able to get that contract. It was actually dramatic, but that showed me that you don't need to really sound cheap for you to win a contract. Now, so there's this contract I won for my company to come and supply and install solar system for a client, right? So backstory, I had supplied solar camera to this client and installed about 5 or thereabouts, okay, and they've been using it, like, it's been serving them well. Now they wanted to now go full out and install a full-blown solar system in the company, okay. So they reached out to me, right? I came the first time, did the load analysis and all that, told them what they need to get, what the budget it should cost them, so now after some days I followed up and they told me that someone else was going to come and do his own load analysis and give them his own quotation. So when this guy finished and all that, he presented a quotation to them. Then they now gave me a feedback that my own price was higher than this guy's own. Now I looked at what he had because they sent me what he did, right? I mean the analysis and all that. So these guys, if you understand solar terms, their total load for this company is an office, and also is a residential place they're using for office. So their total load is around 3,500 watts. All right, this 3,500 is like 3.5 kilowatts. Okay, now this guy proposed a 5 kVA hybrid inverter for them. That's one that could serve, right? But then out of this 3.5 kilowatts or 3,500 watts, the company intends to run gadgets on it for like 8 hours or thereabouts. So if you multiply through all the appliances that will be on this solar and multiply through by 8 hours or thereabouts, you'll be getting 20,000 watts. So you need a power system, or you need a solar system that will power the whole load for this length of time to give you 20,000 cumulative wattage, okay, that will carry their whole appliances for that number of time. Now this guy now told them to buy 5 kilowatts lithium battery as backup. Who does that? Now what that means is that 5 kilowatts can only store 5,000 energy, and that cannot serve them at all at night. Now this company, though it's a company, but it's also a residential place, but it was mostly for the office. So at night this system will not work. So I told them that, look, this thing is not going to work for you. So I still maintain my quotation. I gave them 8.2 kVA and 15 kilowatt lithium battery as backup. So they said the price was too much, higher than the quotation and all that. So I reduced some prices on my individual components, but maintained that capacity. They still said it was high. Now they are sounding as though they want to work with me, but they are also having issues with their budgets. So what do? Most of the clients in our industry, they don't understand when you tell them to spend more money to get what will serve them well. They just after money. This guy said buy 5 kVA and 5 kilowatt. It will not serve you. And I told them this thing will not serve you. But well, no problem. Since we are after money, let me also do my own quotation of this particular capacity, 5 kVA inverter and 5 kilowatt battery, and show you this is it. I'm giving you discount. This is it. But this thing will not serve you. At that point, this lady, who is the manager of the company, now reached out to me one morning and said the boss, who is abroad, wants to speak with me. When I finished talking to this guy, he said no, we can't do 5 kilowatt battery. We have to increase. But then they had issues with budget. So I said, okay, what you have to do is that get a good inverter, a higher inverter, then get a 5 kilowatt battery. With time, we can now increase with 5 kilowatts, because once you start with 5 kilowatts, for it to increase, you must connect 5 kilowatts to the old one. You cannot do 10 kilowatt battery or something lower than that. So you have to do 5 to get to 15 cumulatively. So now I said, okay, get 8.2 kVA of inverter, which can carry their load, and even if they want to add another load, maybe 1 or 2 more ACs in future, it will still contain in that system. That system can still power it. Now they now be increasing the battery capacity. Guess what, guys? When he heard this guy agreed and said, let's go for that. I mean, going for 8.2 kVA hybrid inverter and then 5 kilowatt lithium battery. That is higher than what they were planning to spend Do you understand? So that shows you that it's not about the price, right? You have to have the value. And as a business person, how is your product gonna solve their problem? But before I go for that, I must say that I did one other very strong thing that maybe people might not want to say. I prayed. Like, I prayed all through. As I was sending quotation, I was praying. In fact, at some point I felt like just giving up on the whole thing, because I felt bad that they were comparing me with someone else that I just saw very clearly that his quotation was just not going to work, right? But then as I prayed, I still felt like, let me follow up, let me reach out, and boom, God answered my prayer. So prayer is very important, I must tell you guys. Prayer helps you to do the right thing at the right time, gives you the strength, and the right frame of mind to pursue the quotation and not to just give up or to bring down your price, right? So with this, I got the contract, and they're not going for something higher than what they actually planned for, which is actually what is going to solve their problem. So in business, right, if you're a business owner there watching this video, you need to understand that what people want to buy is not just your product, they are buying benefits. So when you're selling your product, don't sell the features of your product, rather sell the benefits of your product. Tell somebody why they should buy your product, and that reason is that the product will solve their problems. Not about your product at all. They don't care about your product, they care about their problem. Now they are buying convenience, they are buying peace of mind, they are buying solution to their problem, right? So with this quotation now, the clients will enjoy strong solar system that will last for them. So if you learned something in this video, do well to like and also share with your friends so they too can also learn. And if you're watching on YouTube, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow for more tips like this, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.